today so this is a flower. Oh, we don't have nothing. I hope I can assemble it. Oh, it's a blue flower. First, we need, I think, this coupon and another one. Let's see. Where's it? Oh, this. Mami, tulong. But it's right. Tama man ito. Oh. Mami, tulong mo ko. How can we arrange this? Mommy, help me.
Is that a flower?
Flower. This is a flower pot.
Messy. Di na ang cellophane niya. Kung may flower. Una stick. Sama ko na.
This is my mom. Show yourself, mommy. You're too big, so you cannot. This is my mom. Say hello to the camera. Mommy, say hello. Mommy.
Oh.
And she's gonna help me in this awesome video. But I don't know how to arrange because my mom knows how to arrange.
Pahuksan na nagang biyong.
Ha? Paksa?
Puksa.
Paksa? Mamaya, gina-arrange ko lang ang flower. She's watching. She's watching in our. My mom is watching in my phone her phone every day. Every day she watch in her phone. Mami, doon mo ni oh. Asan ka? Asan ka?
Isa pa po. Baliktad, dapat diri. Ganyan. Dapat ang ano sa baba. Para ganyan na.
And another flower coming right up. And voila! It's so cute.
It's
So-
a tulip.
So it's a flower.
Tulip.
This is a rose.
Tulips.
This is a tulips. But so bye in this video. I hope I'll see you in another video. Bye.